In this video we are going to see the known vulnerabilities, and there are already so many guys have wrote the exploits for these known vulnerabilities. So suppose there is a any software Apache Tomcat and there are any vulnerabilities in that, they have uploaded this exploits into this exploit db. So exploit db is the one of the best database for the exploits and vulnerabilities, and also for payloads. You will see in the Metasploit there is a tool called searchsploit, and it will use this exploit database to search over the exploits. So here they are saying that they have already have the machine and it has running WordPress 4.6 and it's vulnerable to unauthenticated remote code execution. So we need to find out this exploit and need to run this. So let's click on completed, and this one says this Nostromo 1.9.6, and this is like a bookstore and it's having this remote code execution vulnerabilities. You can go to this exploitdb.com and you can search here Nostromo version number 1.9.6. So we got this remote code execution, so we can actually run this. I have actually did this one and it took me so much time to run this script because this script failed and I have used this another script. So this is just a comment here, and this is like a get sending the web request. We are not getting actually any reverse shell. So this you can try, you can give it a try. And what we are going to do is we need to search another way to exploit this one. So what you want to do is you need to go to this website first, and let's roam around for version number. So obviously I did not find any version number here, and it's just saying online CSC bookstore computer science engineering. So I have already searched through all of these links. I did not get any version number. So they have already told this 1.9.6, but I use this searchsploit tool. So don't worry about this tool. I have covered in this network pen testing section, and all you want to say is online book. So this have some online, so you can see online bookstore 1.0 unauthenticated RCE. So they have told us to look for this unauthenticated RCE, and let me copy this one. Let me copy and copying it to this desktop directory. So these searchsploit will have the track of this latest and fixed exploits. In exploit db some others will directly write the exploit, and we need to understand more, and we need to fix some more errors. So we will see this in the manual exploitation in the network pen testing section. So I have copied this. Let's go ahead and check this 47887.py. Now it's asking for URL of the target, and then it's executing the shell underscore exec command, and it's using the cmd parameter in the URL. Cmd is equals to say ls, then it will execute, and then we will get the reverse shell. So it is attempting to upload the PHP web shell, and we are posting that web shell, and we are going to this web shell. Then the the reverse shell script which we have placed in the command parameter value, then it will be loaded. So that's the brief theory about this this exploit. Let's say Python 3.47, and let's run this exploit to see any usage. So we need to specify URL. So this one is the URL. So we can give this URL. So it has uploaded this web shell. You can see this here. If you go to this, you will have this your reverse shell script which it has already uploaded. So I'm I am entering Y to get the shell. You can see we have got the shell. Now let's say ls to see any flags. So we have all these PHP files and image files. Let's say who am I. So we have www data. So now what they are asking, so how many characters are in HC passwd, and they have already told us to use wc, that is word count command. So wc minus c HC pass wd. So if you run this, we got this 1611. So this is how you use the already known vulnerabilities exploits and get the reversal back to us. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood. So this, if this seems confusing, don't worry. After the network pen testing section, you just come back here and try to exploit this. You easily exploit this one because you have understanding of this exploit db and setsploit and metasploit. Even in the metasploit, it may contain this exploit. You can search for that and you can execute the exploit and you get the reverse shell. So that's all for this video. I hope you have understood the known vulnerabilities. There are already vulnerabilities and exploits. You need to find those exploits and fix those exploits and run those exploits.